Hey guys, welcome back. Today I need to do everything. Realistically, I need to, do the normal stuff. But my table is full of gifts over there that I need to wrap. I've been slacking this year. I've not been wrapping as I go as much, but I need to clean this kitchen first because I feel like if the kitchen's clean, the rest of it's not too bad. Need to get some laundry going. Need to clean that washing machine. I noticed it's gross around the top. What else do I need to do? So anyway, I'm gonna get all these dishes done up, and I woke up at 1:30 this morning, could not go back to sleep, and I didn't want to clean or do a whole lot because I didn't want to wake anybody up. Then finally it was time for Allison to get up, took her to school, stopped at the grocery store, got a few things, came home and did nothing but sit around and talk to Kennedy, and then I fell asleep and I slept for an hour, and it was the best nap of my whole entire life. So anyway, let's get some dishes done.
Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you. I won't close my door, no matter what you say, it's bringing you down. Your clothes are still on my floor, they speak to me now. I hope you have my heart with you somehow. I keep your picture close to my bed now, and waiting for the screen to light up, to light up, to light up. Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you. If you need room to breathe, then I've got lessons to learn. But you are worth the wait. I won't close my door. Whatever I might have done, don't wanna run. My love is just so much more. Hey, I hope you have my heart with you somehow. I keep your picture close to my bed now, and waiting for the screen to light up, to light up, to light up. Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you. Nobody else can take your place. I'll never want somebody else.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cruel. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side.
So I'm trying to talk to the camera so I don't have to voice over so much. But Heather won Teacher of the Year at her school. So she has like this board meeting tonight where she's getting her plaque or whatever. And then, ow, cat. And then she's bringing supper home. So Alden and Allison got her a cake. And now Allison and Alexia are going to get her some like congratulations stuff. And maybe a few Christmas things to sit around on her dresser since she's still in fall mode over here. Just some stuff like that. So anyway, I just wanted to clean her room and surprise her a little bit, make her feel special because she does a lot for us. She's a great teacher, well deserved. So proud of her. So I'm putting up with her cat. What? What are you doing?
Halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la la.
So she's gone in the mornings before I come in here to get ready. Like she's already gone all the way by the time like I'm ready to start my day and to get ready and stuff. So I came in here this morning and I stepped on something wet in her floor and I was like, what is that? And it was cat food, like wet cat food. So she said this morning she was rushing, so she gave them wet cat food and threw the cat food, the metal bowl, in the bathroom trash, which smells, and I was like, don't ever do that again, that's disgusting. But she had threw it in that trash can and her Saint kitten got it out of the trash can, threw it in here, got wet cat food all over the floor. So I guess it was just trying to get out what was left. So anyway, I'm gonna try to hurry real quick and clean her carpet. It's just gonna be like a quick go over it just to get the smell out because cats are so cute, but why are they so stinky? Okay, we're gonna try.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I've lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Cute.
Well, they didn't have like a banner that said congrats, so this one is like different letters. You
Okay.
can make your own. Like we got a Moana in her eyes.
Don't let her walk on this carpet
Say
because
thank
it
you.
is wet.
Say thank you.
That's cute.
Me and Lexi got us something. Close us.
I've seen it.
Okay.
What?
It was $1.
Okay.
Kelly, she's fine. These are liquids. $1.
Okay. Hurry.
I forgot this out to go.
Ibuprofen. She probably needs that.
I need that. Can I give her a piece of this?
Don't let her walk on this carpet. She'll get her feet wet.
Oh, not on the bed. You have to go in there and eat it? I also really want to blow this one up. So, you're on banner duty.
We're trying to get saved.
Huh?
We're trying to get saved. You might need,
How do I use that crumb?
what should this banner say? Congrats. Me.
Well, I don't know. I was going to get a dinosaur pinata, but I figured that was a little extra.
Oh, Lord. How do you spell congratulations?
Yes. Okay, look it up. Kitty, keep her up there. I'm trying. She's screaming.
Okay, then you have to go back in there. Like, the carpet's wet, baby. You want a letter?
He, as in Peppa.
She could go in the hole.
I was gonna get like different individual letter bubbles, like the balloon things, but I couldn't even find an A, so I was like, that's not gonna be good. I mean, it works, I guess. Can you say Lakey?
Whose candy bar is that?
Lexi's or whoever, Dad's, yours, anyone's.
Here in the waiting, wandering and fading. I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something